Happy morning all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, from 2 days we are taking revision of chapter number 1st. This one is our third revision for this chapter. We are taking revision because of we are going to conduct our unit test exam within 15 days. Within 2-3 days you are going to get timetable, question paper format and syllabus. Okay. So as per that you have to do study to achieve good score in the examination. Okay. So see, today we are going to see our question number 3rd. This question is very important. In this question we are going to see only 2 question answers. Okay. Why? Because these question answers are very brief. So you have to do proper study of these question answers. Okay. I am not telling that these questions are going to come in exam. Okay. Anything can come. We don't know what is going to come in examination. Okay. We are not doing particular study only. Overall study we are going to take it. You have seen that yesterday I have given you 6-7 question answers which were in answer in one sentence. Okay. So from those 6-7 question answers anyone can come like this. Or sometimes it will not come also. Yeah. So because you know that papers come in our school, papers comes from outside. Yeah. So we have to do proper study. Okay. So focus on your study. Now see, our third question is answer the following questions in brief. Okay. Now on the screen you can see the question number 1st. Our first question is, what is history considered to be a scientific discipline? I repeat the question. Why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Answer is, history is considered to be a scientific discipline due to the following reasons. Now here some reasons are given. First one is, history uses scientific method while looking for and collecting evidence. Second one, it uses scientific method while examining the evidence and putting it together. Third one is, help is taken from other sciences when required. We have seen that to study history we require help of other sciences. So do you understand the answer of this question? I repeat again. See, history is considered to be a scientific discipline due to the following reasons. Here 3 reasons are given. First one is, history uses scientific method while looking for and collecting evidence. Second one, it uses scientific method while examining the evidence and putting it together. Third one is, help is taken from other sciences when required. Now you can see next question. What are the obstacles in the way of village development? What are the obstacles in the way of village development? Our answer is, individual or collective actions of human beings have consequence. Some actions result in an environment that is not favorable for the progress of society. See, some actions result in an environment that is not favorable for progress of human society. The obstacles in the way of village development are, which are the obstacles? Those are given now. People in the village do not work together. As yesterday we have seen in answer in one sentence. Same it is given. People in the village do not work together and people in the village do not help each another. Our villagers, they are not working together and they are not helping to each another. So like this here, answer the following questions in brief. It was given. You have to study this answer in brief very carefully. How you are going to study this answer in brief? You will learn it, you will copy them in your notebook. Again you will check it. Again 2-3 times orally, whatever, how much you understood, that much you are going to copy in the notebook. So automatically your full answer will be learned. Okay. Now question number 4. Now we are going to see your question number 4. Complete the concept chart. Complete the concept chart. Now you can see on the screen that one chart is given in the corner. See, in the middle it is written history and some arrows are shown. Downside it is given my own, of a school, of a village. Means here about history. About which thing history is there, that we have to mention. So 3 points they have given already. My own, of a school, and of a village. Remaining one we have to find out. So see, next side you can see the answer. See, I will repeat. My own, of a school, of a village, district, state, nation, world, human civilization. And again it starts my own. So like this it is chain. My own, of a school. See like this. My own history, of a school history, of a village history, district history, state history, nation's history, world's history, and human civilization's history. So like this one is concept chart. So do you understand this? Very good. So now here question number 5 is given. Classify the sources of history using the chart given here. Sources of history. Those are given: coins, letters, forts, traditional songs, pots, copper plates, songs, pillars, biographies, rock cut caves, and folk tales. So here, like this, our question is there, and they have given us 3 boxes for the answer. So in it is given material, written, and oral. 3 columns are there: material, written, and oral. So whatever things are given in question, those things we have to classify in these 3 columns. So first of all, we are going to complete material sources. See, coins, forts, pots, old structures, pillars, rock cut caves. These are the material sources. Now written sources: letters, copper plates, stone inscriptions, biographies. And last one is given oral: traditional songs, folk songs, and folk tales. So like this, these are the oral sources. So do you understand? I hope you understand this question answers. This one we have repeated 3rd time again. If you are not understood, again and again you will watch these lessons, videos, question answers, PPT video is also shared with you before a month. Okay, so that question answers, PPT, this video lectures, and today's video, you will see it, then you will understand. And if you have any problem, if you are not understood anything, and if any doubt doubt is there, so you can send me your problem or your doubt on my WhatsApp number. This one is my number. Okay, this one is my number 9404034619. So whatever your doubt is there, that doubt along with your name and standard you will send me. Okay, so I will explain your doubt. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.